Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sawmill Station Getaway. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a skiing. Sawmill Station Getaway in Winter Park provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi, 2.6 miles from Winter Park Resort. Featuring a balcony, the vacation home is in an area where guests can engage in activities such as skiing and cycling. The vacation home has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, bed linen, towels, a TV with cable channels, a dining area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a patio with mountain views. The vacation home has a playground. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.